And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I guess I'm back. Yes, I do know I've been super MIA, and I mean, it's been about 3-4 months since I last did rug. It's been a while, but the last video I did was me coming back. Yeah, that never happened. Let's just say I've been really busy. I feel like I say this all the time, but honestly, like, I'm really busy. Like, I have work. I've been filming at clubs for DJs, and it's been pretty consistent and back to back to back.
Let's get I get those goosebumps every time.
And then I also film for, well, I film / edit for Oscar. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but that's my boy Oscar. And then now I edit for Dylan Will, and sometimes I film for them as well. So yeah, it's been consistent. If it's not this, it's that. If I'm not here, I'm over there. If I'm not editing, I'm filming. If I'm not filming, I'm working, and so on and so forth. But I tweeted the other day and I said that I want to go as hard as possible, meaning I want to try to balance everything that's on my plate before the year ends, just because I feel like I just need to finish the year off with a bang. So I'm talking about filming for clubs and DJs, doing the videos, editing for Dylan Will, filming for Oscar, editing as well. I want to start shooting again. I want to start making rugs again. I want to start hitting the gym again, and I want to have a social life. And yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go out, but I'm gonna try my best to balance all of those things out. And if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But like they say, the hard part is only starting. So today, let's just say I was not motivated to get a rug going, and I just went for it. And a couple hours later, it's not completely done, but I'm almost there. I did go to buy some yarn and all the materials and stuff, and I forgot the color blue. If you guys don't know who that is, that's Milhouse from The Simpsons with a Wu-Tang Clan shirt. And yeah, so I'm not completely done, but I'm basically almost there. Should finish it off by tomorrow, and then after that I have another rug and then another rug. So with that being said as well, if you guys want a rug from me, message me, go on my Instagram, follow me, message me, so that way I could put you guys in my list, and let's get the ball rolling, and let's finish off the year strong. Let's get these videos out. Let's get some rugs going. Let's get some photo shoots going. Let's get some everything. Yeah, I just got that burst of energy out of nowhere. But I don't know what else to say. It's been a while since I've been behind the camera. Actually, in front of the camera. Sorry about that. In front of the camera. It's been a while since I've been in front of the camera. With that being said, I don't know what else to say. I guess thanks for waiting. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want me to post next. I am going to try to start vlogging as well. That's another thing I forgot to mention. I will try my best to start vlogging again. But let me know in the comments below what you guys want me to, I guess, show you rug tufting wise, or whatever it is, photography wise. I have a lot of things in mind, and it's just I don't have enough time. I don't have enough people to help me out. It's very hard to do this on your own. And for all of you guys that know how to manage a lot of stuff on your plate, kudos to you, because it is tough. It is really tough. So that's all I gotta say. With that being said, I guess I'm out of here. Oh, before I do say that, I do have 2 rugs that have been sitting in my room forever, and that's the Boys in the Hood one. I finally got rid of the Quasimodo rug, and the last rug I have is the Filthy rug. So I have the Boys in the Hood and the Filthy rug. So if you guys want to get that off my hands, please do so. I'll let it go for $100. I'll let it go for $90. I'll let it go for $50. I don't know about 50, but message me and I'll let it go, because it's been sitting and I just want to give it to someone. So yeah, with that being said, I guess I'm out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm sorry for taking forever to post again, but I will be trying my best to post more consistently now. And yeah, I guess let's just finish off this video by saying the hard part is starting, so let's get to it. Peace.